So definitely, it's going to be a free 1-hour training. You're going to create your strategy to getting high quality clients on demand, a 4-step method to increase engagement and attract high quality clients with your content on LinkedIn. While LinkedIn is the best platform, all of our clients are still there. And of course, you can get some ideas to implement to other platforms as well. And of course, because it's a professional network, people are there ready to do business with you. So they're more likely to accept an inquiry from you to be able to receive inquiries from your potential clients. So if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. And of course, shortly I will be sharing my screen to show you the link. I'm going to share the link. So vmentoring.com/masterclass-January-2000. Perfect. This is the link that you see here. Let me know if you can see my screen. We're going to create your LinkedIn strategy. If you click join now, you'll be redirected, just your first name and your email. And of course that your consent to receiving our emails, reminder emails with a Zoom link. It's going to be 1-hour training for translators and interpreters, but in general language professionals, they can actually get some value out of this training. We're going to create your strategy to getting high quality clients on demand, a 4-step method to increase engagement and attract high quality clients. Will take place this Thursday, actually January 15th at 5 p.m. Central European Time, online on Zoom. And of course, we're going to learn how to leverage your marketing strategy to consistently attracting high quality clients for your translation interpreting services. It's going to be a 4-step method where I will be showing you, I will start with the biggest mistakes that we make as translators and interpreters that stop us from actually growing our business, that you need to avoid in order to make it thrive in the long run. We're going to discuss about outbound approach, how to create and leverage your strategy to constantly getting clients on demand every single day. And of course, how to turn cold prospects into paid clients. And of course, inbound marketing, which is a more passive way, how to become fully booked using LinkedIn, the best way to get tons of your ideal clients contacting you, wanting to work with you. How, of course, to create a compelling marketing strategy by becoming and promoting yourself as the go-to expert in your field and niche of expertise. And of course, how to make a mindset shift, because 80% of the work is your mindset. If you believe you can do it or not, you're right. That's a quote that I've learned from my coach and has really influenced me. It's really important to realize that you are capable of everything, and the main obstacle to your success is yourself. So how you see yourself and where you are will have a direct impact on how much you grow your business.